And welcome in this video. In today's video we are going to have a look at the premium index, and I'm going to explain to you exactly how you can use this specific metric over on Whaleportal.com into your trading strategy. And I can assure you already right now, guys, that almost nobody is using this premium index. No one has a clue how you basically can use this for your trading, and that will give you a massive advantage against other traders in the market that are not aware of this signal. So first of all, guys, what is the premium index? What is this metric basically showing us? Well, the premium index tracks the premium or discount of Bitcoin perpetual contracts and the mark price. So it's basically the difference between the Bitcoin perpetual contract and the mark price, and that difference can be in the plus, that difference can be in the minus. So guys, this metric is simply giving us the information of the difference between the price of Bitcoin in perpetual contracts and the mark price. Sometimes the perpetual contract is higher, sometimes the mark price is higher. Well, that difference you can find here in this chart. And I would say that normally, guys, these candlesticks, when it's just going slightly sideways, slightly up, are not that interesting. We are not looking for a day-to-day difference in the premium. That is more for trading bots. There are a lot of trading bots, algorithms that take advantage of this premium with arbitrage trading. That is not what we're doing. We are going to have a look at these massive candles, and we are looking at the shadow of the candle, not specifically at the body of the candle, because the width of the candle right here, either to the upside or to the downside, shows us that there is a very big difference between the perpetual contracts Bitcoin price and the Bitcoin mark price. And often when we are seeing such a big extreme, it means we've actually reached an extreme in the price and we are going to see a reversal. And before I'm going to jump into the charts, guys, let me quickly show you the options that we have right here. We have here the average premium index. That is the average from the Binance BTC collateralized contracts and the Binance US dollar Tether collateralized contracts. So we can look at them individually as well. But I think the strength right here is to look at the average premium index, because it takes either the US dollar Tether contracts and the Bitcoin collateralized contracts. So let's have a look at the first example. That is this one. Here we are seeing a massive spike, actually up and below the shadow of this candle. We call this the shadow. This is the body. As you can see, the body is not so big, but the shadows are enormous. And this is just such a big shadow that most likely it will have signaled a reversal in the Bitcoin price. So let's have a look. This one was at the 13th of October 2022 at 3 o'clock in the midday. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Let's zoom a little bit in right here, and let's go to the 13th of October and at 3 o'clock in the midday. Wow, that is very significant, because that was this candle, guys. This exact green candle, Thursday the 13th of October 2023 or 2022 at 3 o'clock right here. We have seen this candle, and that is the moment we got that huge shadow in the candlestick of that premium index. And that is also exactly when we had a reversal from a downtrend into a uptrend. So let me just give you a little bit inspiration of how you can use this metric. Let's say, for example, the price is coming down right here and the funding rates are negative. Right, the funding rates turn negative, so you already know that the downside might be limited, and we get a nice wick right here. A lot of buyers are stepping in, and close in this region we are seeing an extreme reading on the premium index. Then you can actually be quite certain to enter a long position right here. I do have to say that I think we got all of these signals right here. So we got negative funding. This was 13 October, 3 o'clock. Let's have a look at Whaleportal. Let's have a look at the average funding fee, 13 October. Yeah, we had negative funding rates, as you can see. So the average funding fee was negative. We had a buyer stepping in, and we had a massive shadow on the candle right here in the premium index, and that basically signaled a reversal way before, guys, and this is the most important thing, way before anyone can know this. Who can tell you right here, which trader can tell you when only looking at the charts that right here we are going to see a reversal? Guys, that is just literally impossible, because we are not taking the information from the charts. We are not taking the information from technical analysis. No, we are taking the information from a backbone that is called Whaleportal, which is showing you a lot of derivatives exchange data, and that is showing us that we are seeing a most likely a reversal right here. So you can always, let's say, long this, put your stop loss below the wick right here, just to be safe. If we do not get that reversal, do take in mind, nothing is certain, of course, but yeah, this is actually how powerful this metric can be. And I do have to say, guys, this signal doesn't flash quite often. So in the past 2 weeks, I would say we had one very good signal right here, one certain signal almost. We had some smaller signals. So right here we got at the 13th of October, a little bit later, at 9 o'clock in the evening. We also had something like this. So we had another extreme reading that was around these candles right here. So in the end, we did got that reversal, but we still had, the price still went to the resistance. So that is also something I want to point right here. Sometimes you not see that reversal directly, but you can see that reversal in that period of time. I will show you a nice example too that is a little bit earlier. That is right here, guys. We have seen an extreme reading in the premium index around these levels right here, and it took actually quite a while till we reversed and had that reversal. It took, let's calculate that roughly right here. It took roughly 31 hours, so 1 day and 7 hours approximately after we got that signal. So do take in mind that right here we got a really direct signal, but right here we got a signal of that premium index hitting an extreme, but then we just had some slight form of consolidation before we rolled over. So you could also apply this to your strategy. For example, you draw some trend lines and then you say like, okay, I'm expecting a reversal, but I'm only going to act the moment we are breaking a significant support level. So that is also one way to use it. I always say it's important that you use a basket of indicators and that you are using technical analysis combined with data that is not visible on the chart. So all the data that we have on Whaleportal, that is all data that you cannot find in these charts and find with TA, but it can definitely help you in becoming more certain and getting a better grip on the markets, on what is happening with Bitcoin, what is the direction going, are we seeing an increased likelihood of a reversal, and so on. So guys, this is basically how you can use the premium index. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you learned something, make sure to drop a like down below. If you have any questions, guys, just shoot me in the comment section and I will try to give my best answers on your question. Guys, if you are not following us yet over on Twitter, on YouTube, both of the links to the socials on the bottom of the website of whaleportal.com. And we are sharing a lot of signals over on Twitter as well. And on YouTube, of course, we are sharing a lot of knowledge on how to use these charts. So guys, make sure to follow us on Twitter and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Very much appreciated. I want to wish all of you an awesome day and I hope to see all of you in the next video.